Ethereum broke a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We have been absolutely killing it in Telegram, guys. We made an insane 90% this week. So if you guys still haven't joined, make sure to do so. There is a ton of insight with market conditions as well as my trades in Telegram. Link is in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Ethereum, we have officially broken below our 1612 support. For those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we made an absolute killing today, 29% profits shorting Ethereum because of the fact that I mentioned in yesterday's video as well, the fact that we are trading below 1658, using it as resistance is a very bearish indicator. You can see, of course, that our exponential moving averages started to push lower, and usually when this happens, we start treading towards a support level. We end up breaking below that support, and you can see as of right now, this was an absolutely disgusting moveset on Ethereum. The question, of course, will become is whether or not this is going to continue breaking towards the downside, or of course, we are expecting a fake out situation because we are leading into weekend volume. I do want to talk about that, but of course, right now, if we zoom out of Ethereum chart, the next major support level in the midterm remains at around the 1560 level, so keep your eyes close to that level. Of course, if we end up seeing a nice fake out opportunity, because as of right now, Ethereum is heading into the oversold region, I would pay very close attention to seeing whether or not the 1612 level acts as resistance. If we end up seeing that, this could be the possible local top on Ethereum before a massive move to the downside. Now, of course, I mentioned this prior and I'll mention this once again. I'm still heavily focusing on the 1421 range because this level was very important. You guys already know this. Once we entered that area, we saw CPI data, and of course it was bullish. We saw a very nice breakout formation, but we were heading into that territory, and before we head into that territory, looking at previous price analysis, you can see, of course, the fact that Ethereum has completed this move set before. We saw a breakdown formation of the exact same range, headed all the way back to around 17 or 1421, grabbed that liquidity, and then we headed into the 1787 range. This is why I mentioned to you guys multiple times in the Telegram as well on this channel to pay very close attention to around the 1518 level. If the 1518 level, that blue line, were to break, this is possibly the situation that we are going to be looking for Ethereum to grab a ton of short volume and then have a massive breakout opportunity. 1787, of course, that theory still is valid, but of course right now we are seeing some massive move towards the downside, so I'd only be looking to short Ethereum possibly within to the range of 1421. I am not looking for any sort of buy opportunities. You guys already know that from the Telegram channel. We have been watching Ethereum extremely closely this week and waiting for that breakdown formation, and we have finally seen this level break down. Even on the hourly time frame, of course, you can see the fact that Ethereum was trending extremely tightly to that area of resistance here at 1658. We ended up seeing a clean break below 1630, which I mentioned to you guys multiple times. On the midterm support level, if 1630 were to break, we will be having a very nice continuation to the downside. You can see, of course, that this level was broken, and we ended up seeing a massive trade opportunity for Ethereum overall. Of course, RSI on the hourly is an extreme oversold condition, so I would be very careful looking for that position sizing as of right now. Pay attention to seeing how this level plays out around the 1580. If we do end up breaking, which of course it does look like we are seeing more volume come into the market, the 1518 level will be the overall take profit level for this massive move on Ethereum. In terms of the daily time frame, of course, you guys see that we have officially broken below our exponential moving averages. The question, of course, is going to become is whether or not we're going to be using the same range as resistance resistance now. You guys already know every time we end up breaking below our exponential moving averages, we come back up, retest it as resistance, and then a stronger continuation to the downside. So this is exactly what I'm going to be paying attention to. Of course, we are coming up to the weekend, and I am expecting more manipulation to play. So for those of you that have been caught out on positions, make sure you guys are covering your trades. I've mentioned this to you guys many times that right now Ethereum is looking extremely bearish. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.